Welcome, here I've got LG G8X ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the center here to open the camera app, and here we are in the standard photo mode. So now let's move to the left corner. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings. From here we have to just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features, and here we have the grid option. So by using this button we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines like that. So for now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera. And as you can see, here we have this grid lines, so it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture. So these lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when you don't need this, you go back to the left corner, slide again to the useful features, tap on this. So for now they are gone because this option is turned off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.